Grab your cozy cup of chai and settle in because today I have 10 of the best travel gifts under $10. These are going to be good ones, not ones that someone's going to want to dump in the junk drawer as soon as they unwrap it, but ones that they will actually get use out of, either for yourself, maybe when you travel, for your bestie, for your family, for your friends. Let's get into it. It might seem challenging today to find a gift under $10, but I have gathered 10 of the best. And the first one, lint roller. This one is so good. Has a cover so your tape doesn't get all mucked up when you're not using it. It comes with 3 refills, and I haven't even gone through the first one yet. Sticks on there, doesn't fall off, and tucks right into my little pocket in my bag. Doesn't take up any space. Best gift under $10, number 1. Budget gift for travelers, number 2, mini wallets. I have a few of these, and the main things I look for is this one is an RIFD wallet. So going into busy cities or where it might be a lot of crowds, I tend to go with this one. It has the inside zipper pockets. It also has quick access if I want. And the other major thing is some type of ring so that I can lock it inside my backpack or belt bag on one of those key leashes that are in a lot of the bags, carry-on bags, backpacks, things like that, so that when you access it, it's still attached. This one is a little cuter, and it has an easy release, but it still can lock onto one of those leashes. Cards are in the back, a zipper. The nice thing about this is it goes all the way around, so I can open it up a little wider if I need to. Number 2, under $10. Traveler gift number 3, under 10, are my flat gel and lotion containers. They're not glamorous, but they are definitely something a traveler would want. The bonus of these, they've never leaked on me, which is surprising because it seems a little flimsy. Don't worry about it. Easy to fill because the top, it's not wide open, but it's been big enough where I can easily squeeze from my shampoo bottle, gel bottles, and you can inch all of that out of there so that there's nothing left behind on a trip. They would love these in their stocking. Trust me. Number 4, not glamorous again, but doesn't take up much space at all. And you can use the public chargers. If you have someone who doesn't want to take their portable charger or doesn't carry one with them, these little babies don't take up hardly any space. And when you plug into the public charging ports anywhere, it's a data blocker. So this is a perfect under $10 security gift for your traveler or yourself. Number 5 is putting together a gift basket. Shower caps is always a must at the dollar store and goes on all my shoes. Add in there mini hair clip, sanitizing wipes, a plastic poncho, gum, mints, chapstick, Tide stick, Kleenex. Put it together in a cute little gift bag. Travel gift number 6, a lock. When you're going traveling by train or by bus, say over in Europe, you have to put your bags usually in a designated area. And if you don't have a lock on your suitcase, or if you want to lock together some of your bag, these little mini locks are great to have on hand for that, so that you can keep everything together and it's just a little safety mechanism. Stocking stuffer. Gift number 7 is for the overpacker in your life. And even a carry-on only, you can be an overpacker. For them, a portable scale. All you have to do, put it in there, hook it in there, and then lift. And on the top here, it has a little scale that you push to reset to start. It tells you exactly how much your suitcase weighs. Over in Europe, some of the airlines even require your carry-on bag to be under a certain weight. When we check bags here in the state, a pretty standard is it needs to be under 50 pounds, but definitely make sure and check with the airline that you're flying to know the weight capacity of your checked bag. And it's not bad to know your carry-on bag too, because when you're lifting that into the overhead bins that you have to do, you want to make sure you can lift it up there. Give this nice little gadget under $10. Here is a travel style gift. Very dainty, compact. What is it? It's my brush. After I brush my hair and say I want to put my lipstick on, I can use it that way too. Compact to slide inside your carry-on, under 10 bucks. And it does brush your hair really well. This pack of goodness, color-coded cord holders. See that 5 times fast. They come in pink, green, black, white. If you want for each person in your family, you can color code them. You can color code them to what they go to of a charging device and just wraps them up nice and tight. Nice and tidy inside your electronics bag. You can tuck them in there and they don't go wild. Open it up, everything's in its place for your organized traveler. How many coffee lovers do I have in the room? It's for the coffee lover in your life. These are pour over coffee packets that they come individually wrapped, make them easy to pack with you, portable. And then you just, if you want to stay in your pajamas in your hotel room, or you don't really like the hotel coffee, you can put one of these over your mug, hot water, pour it over the top. Yum. And it's the same consistent coffee every day. They also have mini creamers too, little individual packets. You can pack those along as well. Just have to remember with the creamers, that's considered a liquid. If you're a driver or you take a train, or you can pack them both and don't have to worry about any TSA restrictions. Trust me, your coffee lover friend will love getting these as a gift. It's just a yummy little warm treat. I know I always do this on my list videos, but okay, number 11. As a side note, I found this the other day when I was going through Target, and I don't know about you, but the thicker straps for a crossbody bag just are so much easier on my shoulder than the thin ones that a lot of crossbodies come with. Not all of them. Some of mine come with thick ones. So I can just interchange it with any of my bags, clip it on there with a nice thick strap so that I can walk all day with it. And I liked this that was attached to it because it's perfect for chapsticks, lipsticks, lip gloss. It's a quick access, and I don't have to distract myself by digging through my bag. Say if I'm in a busy area and not paying attention, it's right there. Grab it, put it back, and off we go. I had to add that in because under $10, it goes with almost anything. Who wouldn't love that as a gift? I would. I would love it. Hint, any family member that might be watching, I could use the tan one too. Just saying. There you have it. 11 gifts under $10 for any traveler on your list. Ones that won't end up in the bottom of that bag, never to be seen again. If you have another good gift idea under $10, drop it in the comment for us so that we can add it to our gift guiding list. Thanks for being here. Remember to like, subscribe so that you get the notifications every week when I drop a new video, or for my daily shorts on quick travel tips from that pilot wife lady. Happy travels. Take your pick. Let's try that again. Dumping everything all over the place. Crossbody bags that we take, that they come with on our, what are you saying? Okay, start over.